A much-awaited phone by Nothing has finally arrived in India as CMF Phone 1, with interchangeable back cover and a unique design that enables users to attach proprietary accessories such as lanyards. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The CMF Phone 1 features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 2000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the CMF Phone 1 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on Nothing OS 2.6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164 by 77 by 9 millimeters, and it weighs around 202 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The CMF Phone 1 has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 15,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 17,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 12th, in black, blue, light green, and orange color options. So, what do you guys think of this Nothing CMF Phone 1 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.